Stop. You're killing your English without even knowing it. Every time you say, I will try to contact him later, you sound like a robot. Every time you memorize another grammar rule, you waste brainpower you'll never use. And every time you learn 10 fancy words, you still freeze in real conversations. Here's the ugly truth. Nobody cares about grammar books, nobody talks like your English teacher, and nobody waits while you translate in your head. So what works? Patterns. Fast, ready-made, plug-and-play patterns. Say, I'll try to ___ later. Done. Say, I'm not sure that works for me. Polite, clear, confident. Use 10 power verbs. Get, take, go, make, put, and you can survive 90% of daily English. This is the cheat code. Patterns beat rules. Real phrases beat textbooks. And if you're still grinding the old way, you're wasting years of your life. If you want 100 of the most powerful daily patterns, I've dropped them all in one place. Link in description. Learn smart, speak fast, and stop sounding like a textbook.